Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang between year 2015 and year 2023. This is known as the 6th generation of Ford Mustang. If you guys have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the power outlet, also known as auxiliary power outlet, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. That's practically a serial lighter, I think the one that's in the center console. And if you want to see where the fuse is located, why it's important to test fuses and where to buy cheap fuses from, stay with us, we'll explain all that in this video today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So we're going to open the hood. We have specifically a 2018 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT, guys, but even if you have a 2.3 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine, it should work as well. If you're tired of supporting that hood, we have a special video that explains how to install strut supports on Ford Mustang, and you don't need to support your hood anymore. So right here, okay, the power outlet, okay, I'm talking about the one right here that you have, you can see. Stay with us and we will explain where, okay, that fuse specifically is located now. We're going to come right here, we will open the hood, and on the left side we'll have the fuse box located right there. You're going to press here, pull up, okay, let's support it now, and here you're going to see the fuse numbers, and the layout corresponds to what we have specifically here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. If you want to see where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, you have up to 3 different kinds of relays and 4 different kinds of fuses that could be really expensive at the parts store. Check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get them at a fraction of the price, guys. So the fuse that we need to check will be in that fuse, okay, panel right here of 12 fuses. I'm talking about this one right there. And the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 5454. I'm talking about a 20 amp fuse. The second fuse from top to bottom. The first one is a cigarette lighter. This one is a cigarette lighter in the armrest, also known as a power outlet. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.